Hello everyone, hope you are doing great, much blessings. Having a flat stomach may be a common fitness goal. Exercises that burn fat, tone the core, and build muscle can help a person achieve it. Today, I'm going to show you 5 easy exercises that you can do at home to help you burn belly fat fast and achieve that flat stomach you've been dreaming of. And the best part, you don't need any equipment, just a little space and motivation to get started. Body composition refers to the proportion of fat, muscle, bone, tissues, organs, and fluids in the body. It's typically divided into 2 components: fat mass, total body fat, and fat-free mass, everything else. For those looking to lose belly fat, overall body fat reduction will naturally reduce belly fat as well. The time it takes to lose body fat depends on factors like age, sex, height, weight, physical activity, diet, and health conditions. Generally, a person needs to burn 3,500 calories to lose 1 pound, lb, of fat. This means that a person who cuts out 500 calories a day from their diet may lose around 1 pound per week or 4 pounds per month. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, reports that people who lose weight at a slow, steady pace of about 1 to 2 pounds per week tend to maintain their weight loss. A 2017 study found that many people who lose weight quickly may be losing more lean body mass and water weight than body fat. If you found this video helpful and want to stay on top of more health tips, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Your support helps bring more awesome content your way. Why target belly fat? Did you know that belly fat is one of the most common concerns for people trying to lose weight? Not only does it affect your confidence, but it can also have a significant impact on your overall health. But don't worry, by combining a healthy diet with the right exercises, you can effectively lose belly fat and tone your core. So, grab your mat, and let's do this together. Next, we explore some exercises that may help a person burn fat, tone their core, and build muscle in order to have a flat stomach. We'll do each of these belly fat burning exercises for 1 minute. Don't forget to focus on your form and breathe properly. Ready? Let's go. Exercise 1. Crunches. Bicycle crunches help tone the abdominal muscles and obliques. Remember, quality over quantity. Engage your core for the best results. Crunches are one of the most effective stomach exercises to lose belly fat, as they directly target your abdominal muscles. Exercise 2. Leg raises. It engages the following muscles: lower back muscles, upper abdominal muscles, lower abdominal muscles, quads and hamstring muscles. This exercise helps you burn belly fat and aim to perform 3 sets of 10 repetitions each. Exercise 3. Plank. Time to work on your core strength. It engages the following muscles: the core, a group of major muscles that connect the spine and pelvis, the upper abdominal muscles, the lower abdominal muscles. For an added challenge, you can try side planks, which are great for targeting those stubborn love handles. Planking burns more calories than other abdominal exercises, since it engages the arms, legs, and back. Exercise 4. Russian twists. Sit on the floor, lean back slightly, and twist your torso from side to side. Russian twists are excellent for working your obliques and burning belly fat around your waistline. Exercise 5. Mountain climbers. Strengthens multiple muscles. It works many muscles at once, including your arms, shoulders, core, back, legs, glutes, and hip flexors. Improves cardio health, improves coordination. You should maintain good form and not arch your back or raise your hips too high. You should also not move too fast, as this can make it easier to forget to engage your core. This is a great cardio move that helps burn belly fat fast while improving your endurance. Exercise 6. Boat pose. Helps stretch your hamstrings, helps to relieve tension, abdominal muscles are toned and strengthened, improves digestion and balance, enhances self-assurance. This yoga pose helps to strengthen the core and improves the strength of your spine and hip flexors. The kidneys, thyroid, and prostate glands, as well as the intestines, are all stimulated. Exercise 7. Toe reaches. This exercise engages the abdominal muscles. Beginners might start with this exercise to build up their core strength. It can help with posture, lower back pain, and stability. Toe touches also stretch the hamstrings and can improve hamstring flexibility. A person can begin with 1 to 3 sets of 18 to 20 repetitions each. Exercise 8. Burpees, the ultimate full body workout. Burpees are a powerhouse exercise that burns calories, builds muscle, and boosts cardio fitness, helping you burn fat effectively. Beyond fitness, they strengthen the heart and lungs, improve blood circulation, and lower the risk of heart disease and diabetes. With regular practice, burpees can reduce blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and even enhance brain function. A beginner might start with 2 sets of burpees, each consisting of 10 to 15 repetitions. Rest for 30 to 60 seconds after each set. 4. Cool down and stretching, 30 seconds. Great job, everyone. Let's cool down with a quick stretch. Lie on your stomach and push your upper body up into a cobra pose. This will relax your abdominal muscles. Tips for achieving a flat stomach. 1. Increase physical activity. Engage in over 150 minutes of moderate to vigorous exercise weekly to combat weight gain and improve overall fitness. 2. Incorporate resistance training. Weightlifting and resistance exercises burn calories, build muscle, and trigger the afterburn effect, continuing fat burn post-workout. 3. Follow a healthy diet. Prioritize high fiber, protein-rich, and healthy fat foods while limiting sugar intake to reduce body fat effectively. 4. Get quality sleep. Sleep impacts appetite hormones, metabolism, and overall health. Poor sleep can increase hunger and the risk of overeating. 5. Stay hydrated. Drinking water curbs overeating, prevents bloating, and avoids dehydration-induced sugar cravings. 6. Manage stress levels. Chronic stress elevates cortisol, which boosts appetite, slows metabolism, and increases the risk of weight gain. Consistency is key when performing these belly fat exercises for effective results. Pairing them with lifestyle changes can significantly support overall body fat reduction and help you achieve a flatter stomach. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and comment below with your favorite exercise. And don't forget to share this video with your friends so they can join your fitness journey too.